Hi, it's Jen with TipResource.com, and I have a deal for CVS this week. It's on batteries, because this time of year I think batteries, almost everybody needs them for some reason or another for gifts. This week what we have is, they are giving an extra care bucks of $5 when you buy $15 worth of these Duracell products. But there's some great coupons out there right now. They're coupons for 75 cents off Duracell from your Procter & Gamble from 10/16, 10/30, and then the ones that just came out today for 12/1, they came out today 11/27, they are valid now. So this is what I would do. The ones in these two, the 16th and the 30th of October, they're going to expire in the next couple of days. I would use my coupons out of here first, because that gives me the rest of the month to utilize the ones from my December Procter & Gamble saver. So I would go and I would buy 5 packs of Duracell batteries. When I buy 5 packs, my total is going to be $17.50. I will use 5 coupons from my Procter & Gamble. That takes $3.75 off. Then I will be getting a $5 extra care buck back once I buy these. So my net cost on the Duracell batteries for 5 packs is $1.75 each, which I think that's a pretty good deal for batteries. I certainly do buy a lot of batteries this time of year. You find a lot of battery deals. Stock up, that's an item that doesn't go bad. Stock up for the next year, because that is an item that you can use often. So go buy Duracell batteries at CVS this week, and I'll see you next week with another deal.